Oh, is it on? Hey everybody, my name is Zach and welcome to this first video. Today is Sunday, March 22nd, 2020, and I've always kind of wanted to do something like this, and I figured because I'm on spring break and because there's kind of like a lot of stuff going on in the world right now, this would probably be a good time to start doing something like this. And this is more for me, so if it's not your thing, that's completely okay, but it's more so that later on I can kind of look back, see what I was doing at this time during this day, kind of, you know, that kind of thing. I guess I should talk a little bit about what's going on. Right now there's a coronavirus pandemic. It's called COVID-19. And it's pretty much everywhere at this point. It's spread really quickly. New Jersey's not too bad at the moment, though we've only recently started putting down a lot of heavy restrictions, so I think that number of infected is going to go up. I think right now we're at around 1,300 cases in New Jersey as of like 14 hours ago. The numbers haven't come out yet for today, and I'm sure they probably won't until like tomorrow. We recently were just put on like a sort of lockdown. Like the governor is restricting all travels that aren't essential, shutting down all businesses that are not essential. I'm not quite sure what that means for restaurants, because I know for a while you couldn't go and sit in a restaurant, but you could still get takeout or delivery for people who, you know, weren't able to get anything at the grocery stores because everybody just kind of like grabbing everything. But yeah, so that's what we're doing in New Jersey right now. As of now, I don't think anybody has any idea how long this is going to last. So we'll see. We're just kind of riding that wave and see what happens. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on how this week goes if anything fun happens. I'm hoping, the way that I'm trying to get this to work out is that I kind of upload like at least one video a week, and that video will encompass like the week. So I'm kind of banking on something interesting happening in my life at least once a week. So we'll see if that happens, and if it doesn't, then it'll just be a really, I just spit everywhere. It'll just be a really boring video, but that's fine. Alright, hey everybody, it is day 2, and I'm in my car now. I'm not driving anywhere, but I'm in my car, and I'm going to be heading to my mom's house to see my little brothers Marco and Teo, because something is wrong with Marco's computer. He was Snapchatting me yesterday, and first his fan for his GPU is making really weird noises, and then a little bit after that, it looked like it fell off. I'm not sure if that's what happened, but I'm gonna spend some time with them for a little bit and try to fix his computer, see what I can do. Alright, so I made it to my mom's house. Let's go say hi to Teo. Is Teo here? Oh, that's not Teo. Hi, Teo. What are you doing? Is that your work?
Yeah, I need to watch a video.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I'm taking a laptop tomorrow.
Alright.
Marco's also doing work.
Yeah.
Well, let's even get a better look at this video card though. It's just missing its fan. Okay, so I took a look at the video card. Here it is here. This is the piece of the fan that fell randomly. And I just don't know how to fix this. Like, this is the weird bearing thing that they have. And I even went online. There was like a Linus Tech Tip video, but as they usually do it, they just kind of like hack it and they like put some like random fan in there, and I'm like, I'm not gonna do that. So Marco's getting a new video card.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be weird because everything is on lockdown, so we had to order it. There's like a Best Buy nearby. We ordered it for pickup, and we're gonna show up there in an hour, and I guess they're gonna bring it to our car because we're not actually allowed to go in the building. So Marco's gonna come with me.
This is my Rage controller. I throw it out the window when I'm mad.
Holy crap! It's really destroyed.
Yep. It was broken from the start, like, so it was broken. So I made it my Rage controller.
Oh, your Rage controller?
Yeah.
So like,
If I ever get really mad,
if you get mad, you grab this controller and then just destroy it more.
Yes. It's very destroyed so far.
Dude, I still can't believe this thing just like fell off. He was sending me Snapchats throughout the day, and he's like, is this supposed to make this weird noise? And it was like a grinding noise. Like, I felt so bad for you. I was like, oh, that really sucks. Like, I would hate to have that.
I had to listen to it the whole day.
And then all of a sudden, like, I was like driving back from helping my friend unpack his dorm, and he was like, yeah, it just kind of fell. It was like sitting at the bottom of his his computer. I was like, whoa, what? What's up? There's Teo's computer. This I think has a 10. I think this also has a 1060 in it.
GeForce GTX 1060 because it says it on the side.
Teo, are you coming with us to Best Buy? Or are you in an hour?
In an hour, yeah, sure.
Cool. Road trip.
I think it toasted. Smell like cheese. Okay.
Did you just say he smells like cheese?
No, saying it. Okay.
I love cheese.
Yeah. Let's go.
Oh no, I've been broken.
Best Buy, alright. By the way, if you want to listen to the news while you drive, just say, "Hey Google, play the news."
Why would I want to do that? So we're here, we're gonna go to the Best Buy nearby, and I'm here with Marco and Teo. And we're gonna go and get the card. Okay, so we're at the Best Buy, but it is like kinda empty here. There's a few of the cars to the side of me, but they're just doing this curbside pickup thing where you just walk up to this little tent and I guess you pick up your items, but our items are not ready yet. Alright, it's here.
Okay. Comic book for it.
There's a comic book?
I don't think this is important.
That's the video card.
As you can see,
I'm hiccuping right now.
it is play hard and stay silent.
Alright. Are you ready?
Sure. Yeah. Alright, so
Are you putting it in? Or you want me to put it in?
I want you to put it in.
Got some fruit punch.
Oh, I hate that
Coconut water.
kind. You wanna know why there's so many in there? Because nobody drinks them. It's so bad.
Alright, here we go. It's install time. Do we have everything we need? Okay, so that's there. Alright, that's in.
Look at the. It's like so glowy.
Glowy. Okay, you ready? Moment of truth.
Hold on, hold on.
Oh!
That's sick. We all just go. Alright, back up.
Looks nice. Oh,
What?
we've got a signal.
Okay, let's put it back up. Oh, that looks sick. I don't
It's
know.
cool.
Where do you put that?
I think I just put it like that. Or no, is it like? I don't really know.
Okay, just put it up here with that one.
Where?
Up there with that one.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, the.
Ooh, okay.
What'd you just do?
I just shoved that into the fan. So try not to bust another fan while we're doing this.
What you doing over here?
Alright, so his new video card is in. You can see it there. The nice MSI logo. Next, all I have to do is update his drivers.
Shuffling songs by D's Nuts.
Alexa, off.
Do you not have a desk lamp?
No.
How do you do work?
Who needs a desk lamp?
Can you even see anything that you do on your desk?
Yeah.
Or do you just live by the RGB lights? Oh my gosh, this is really taking a long time.
I'm gonna try running in the hallway.
It sounds like a great idea.
This shall go right here so we always know what I got. Just like yours.
Just like mine? Not doing too bad.
Here's some in circle.
Hey everybody, okay, so I just got finished with my mom's house. It was good getting to see my brothers and everything like that, because it's not very often that I get to see them. Marco's computer is doing really well. Looked like he was having a lot of fun in Fortnite, playing with his friends, which was good. So I'm gonna drive home, and I'm probably gonna be there for a while. I don't really have any other plans. And so yeah, I'll see you there. Okay, so today is day 3. And what we have going on for today is right over here. If you look behind me, there is a ton of stuff on my floor. Okay, this is not how my room usually looks, FYI. What I'm doing is I'm going through all of my old clothes, all of the bins that I have in storage, just seeing what I really need, what I can get rid of, and where I can put them so that I actually know where everything is. The next time you see a scan of this room, it should look very different. Okay, so it's actually, was it day 3 now, or was yesterday day 3? Monday, Tuesday, day 4. Day 4? Today's day 4? Anyway, so the room is still kind of a mess, and I'm still working on it, but I have another desk lamp here. And now watch this, ready? Hey Siri, turn my desk lights on.
It looks like you haven't set up any HomeKit accessories. You can connect smart devices, like lights, a lock.
Hey Siri, turn my desk lamps on.
It looks like you haven't set up any home.
Turn my desk lamp on.
It looks like you haven't set up any HomeKit
You're
accessories.
lying. I just, oh, do I have to say lamps, like plural lamps? Hey Siri, turn desk lamps on.
Okay, done.
Okay, so I have to say lamps and not lamp. And so yeah, all my clothes are organized. They're all in my bins now. Let's go see. Whoa. So that is good. But yeah, I've got a ton of old books in there. Those are the clothes I'm gonna give away. And then this is all the tech stuff I have. So it's all in these boxes, and all I'm gonna do is shove the boxes into the little storage area I have. Alright, so check this out. This room is not done yet. I haven't gotten to this room, but this room is looking a lot better. So that is done. Now I just gotta do the other room. And then what I think I wanna do now, before I do the other room, just because I'm getting a little bored in here, I think I'm gonna take that box full of donation clothes and bring it up the street to the donation place, or box. I think it's like a container. Alright, I am finally finished cleaning everything up. And you can see it's like nighttime, so it literally took the whole day to get everything done. But everything is so much more organized now. I've got everything where I want it, and everything like that. Everything is grouped together as it should be, too, so you know, if I need anything, I know where it is. So check it out. Alright, so here's your little tour. This is my desk area. Obviously, I've got a nice cool ultra-wide monitor that is actually really useful for doing a lot of schoolwork. Not gonna lie, it's not only for gaming. Still talking about the coronavirus, everything's going crazy. And then here's my bedroom area, which you kind of saw before. So, as you can see, got a lot done. I'm really happy about it. And you know what too, I got this thing. I didn't get it. We've had it in my house, but it was down in my old room. But that thing's been helping keep the air a lot cleaner because my allergies do not like dust. I feel like now I'm finally ready to do like work, schoolwork kind of things, which is pretty big because I think tomorrow I have like the first online meeting with one of my professors. Not like a one-on-one, but he's doing like the Zoom class kind of thing, so I'm gonna have to check in on that. But yeah, that's the progress I've made. I'm pretty sure that's all for tonight. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, welcome to the last day of this week, I guess, for this video. I'm going to be heading to my mom's house to do some more stuff with Marco and his computer, so I will see you there. Alright, This is Marco's old hard drive. Western Digital, 1 terabyte, black. He's now getting a 512 gigabyte SanDisk Ultra. And then hopefully sometime down the line, we'll be able to get some larger hard drive as like a secondary storage for his games.
Right, Jim.
It's in? Ooh, that's in there nicely. Cool, good job. Alright, we are now installing Windows. Great, cool. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you press the like button. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. And if you have any comments, tips, suggestions, anything like that, post that in the comments down below. And I will see you next time.